Welcome all to my YouTube channel All in One. I am Lalit Matolia, having 12 plus years of overall experience as software developer and corporate trainer in various languages and technologies. Today I am sharing the job information for fresher guys who want to work with Sankey Solutions. This is hiring for the full stack developers. So first we will discuss about the company. Sankey Solution is a next generation IT consulting and service company with headquarters in India, Singapore and the UK. Sankey Solutions is looking for solution analyst, UI UX designer and human resources people to work with their passionate team. Headquarters location is in India, Singapore and the UK. Founders' name are Mr. Suhas Patil and Mr. Sandeep Patil. This company is founded in year 2015 and website is https://sankeysolution.com. Okay. So job title I'm just discussing only for the solution analyst. There are two more profiles for UI and UX designer and then human resources. So first we discuss about the solution analyst. So what is the job profile and job responsibility for the solution analyst? He can develop high performance mobile and web applications in artificial intelligence, machine learning, Android, iOS and various front end and back end technologies. Okay, and we have to develop the software, we have to maintain, and then efficient code we have to write and clean code. And you can develop your solution by using the multiple technologies, front end and back end technologies such as Angular, Bootstrap, Node, PHP, Spring, React.js, etc. You can also write the REST API for developing such kind of applications. Okay, so you can develop into the multiple languages also. You can interact with client directly on requirement gathering, delivery planning and implementation part. So this is the job profile for the solution analyst. So this is one image. Virtual pool campus recruitment drive is there for hiring full stack developers. Okay, date and time is 18th of September 2020, Friday 12 p.m. Eligibility is for BCA, IT and CS student, MCA, BE, BTech, IT and CS. This is for the freshers. Okay, you can just visit the site for the Sankey Solution. I will just mention into the another slide also. So desirable skills means you can implement, you can learn multiple things as a software development in the fast manner. Qualifications includes MTech also, BTech, MSc, BSc, IT and CS, BCA, BME, computers and IT students only, and MCA. So you can drop your updated CV, this mail address, career@sankeysolutions.com. Directly you can upload your updated resume over there. Okay, so I will just show the company website. So there are three careers opportunities. First, for the solution analyst. Solution analyst means if you are passionate about driving business through technology, then apply for solution analyst. If you can portray your creative ideas into a user friendly design, then apply for UI and UX designer. And if you have management skills that deliver new levels of business value, then you can apply for human resources. So there are three posts: solution analyst, UI UX designer and human resources. So you can just click and then apply. Okay, you can send your resume directly to the mail address which I mentioned in the previous slides. And they are having the good team. These are the people as Suhas Patil and Sandeep Patil. They are the founder for the Sankey Solution, and team and their LinkedIn profile is available here. You can visit this website in more details. So this company is located in Maharashtra, Thane. Okay, so I think hope you will understand all the process for Sankey solution campus recruitment via online mode. If you have any questions and doubts, you can feel free to ask and write in the comment box. I will share all the details in the comment box also. Great. Thank you for your support. I am just sharing number of placements links. Okay, so you can just visit and then apply for this. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Great.